today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, something absolutely insane is happening for Bitcoin right now. Something I have not expected myself. And yes, everyone is asking what is happening with your 3 multi-million US dollar trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I can tell you already, one of them is not as it was before. Hold on, guys, I will show you everything completely transparent and of course talk about what is happening to Bitcoin right now and what is most likely going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Let's talk about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for always liking these videos. Because of you, we are one of the most watched Bitcoin videos in the whole internet. Thank you so much for that. Thanks for liking, for sharing, subscribing. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Talk about what's happening before I am going back into the charts, before I'm going back into my trades and giving you an exact update about what's happening. Here we are on the monthly candles for Bitcoin. And you know this chart. Not a surprise, nothing new. The vertical lines are the halving. We have support and resistance for the last 12, 13 years. We have the downward sloping resistance. We have the horizontal resistance, the yellow one every single cycle. We have this cycle. This is the cycles, right? And then we have this resistance. But one thing I added here, and that's the orange line. This is something most people are forgetting about, and I myself forgot about it a little bit. And it changes a little bit the view for Bitcoin, and it gives us a little bit an outlook about how we should evaluate the current situation for Bitcoin. And yes, I already said, and I will still stay with this opinion I'm having here, and it is actually a well-based opinion. We are in a bull market. I'm saying that because since we broke this line here, somewhere around 17,500, I entered my multi-million US dollar trades for Bitcoin. I will show them just in a bit. And since then we are going up. And Bitcoin is in a weekly uptrend. This is the monthly, but we are having higher highs and higher lows for Bitcoin on the weekly. Also, I said we have to maybe wait and hold on a little bit because breaking this resistance is going to be extremely difficult as it was very strong support before. Now, what's new? This moving average is the 20-month moving average. And let me quickly put emphasis on something very important. The higher the time frame, the more juice, the more power is behind the prediction the time frame is giving us. So of course, going on the daily, going on the weekly is very valuable for me personally as a position trader. Going on the monthly gives us an overview where we are in the market. Are we in a bear market? Are we in a bull market? And if anything, you could call this a transitionary period or a bull market. It's not a bear market anymore. We hit the bear market low. At least that's what is confirmed so far in the last 7-8 months. And Bitcoin is in an uptrend on the weekly. So if anything, we are in a transitionary period, and latest from breaking 32,000 would be when I would say this is a bull market. Now, dear ladies and gentlemen, the 20-month moving average is so extremely important in predicting whether we are entering a bull market, a bear market, or a transitionary period. Well, these are the bear markets. Whenever Bitcoin is breaking below this 20-month moving average is, of course, when we know, okay, it's probably going to go down even more south from here. The moment we are breaking it to the upside is, hey, no, most likely we are going to break here this horizontal resistance and go into the next bull market. That was the case in 2016, 2017. Well, that was the exact case actually in 2019 as well. In 2018, we broke it to the downside, we went more south. In 2019, we broke it to the upside, we went into the next bull market. And now you can see history does not repeat, but it rhymes. And when we broke this one to the downside, we went more south. The moment we are going to break this one here decisively with the horizontal resistance to the upside, is the moment we are going to confirm the bull market, is the moment we are going to confirm most likely higher prices for Bitcoin for the months to come. And this is something very important to understand. We are in an uptrend. We are not in a bear market. However, we are not in a full-on bull market right now. How I evaluate this is a transitionary period. We are still in summer. We can't expect 100,000 next month. It's just not realistic. But what we can do, and what I am personally doing, is on betting for higher prices maybe even September being a green month. But if not that, this year is a green year for sure. So I opened the trade at 17,000. And most likely we are going to see higher prices than today in the end of the year. And that is the reason, that is the simple and sole reason why on the low leverage trades, I am going here on these trades and I am still keeping them open. My Bitcoin trade and my Ethereum trade, both of these trades are still open. Bitcoin at $600,000 in a profit, Ethereum only at $26,000 in a profit. And yes, one more trade I had, this was the higher leverage trade, a short-term trade, which I wanted to close the same day. In the last video, I mentioned the price target of 28,400. We hit 28,200. I was so close, but unfortunately we didn't hit my take profit. We went lower and I got stopped out in a loss. That is here for the transparency, of course, I want to tell you always, but it was a short-term trade. I just put in 20,000 or 30,000 on a very high leverage, and well, it didn't work out. If you want to trade as well, make sure you are an experienced trader. Make sure you know what you're doing. If you are, down below in the pinned comment, it is called like this, pinned by Mmcrypto with the check mark. Don't click anything else because there are a lot of scammers in the comment section down below. Click register deposit and you can claim up to 30,000 US dollars in free bonuses with the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And please, if you watched this video until the very end, go down below and leave a comment. Let me know your price prediction for the end of the year. My price prediction is above 40,000. Yes, might be wrong, but I want to be very specific about that. I'm bullish on Bitcoin long term, mid term, not short term. But that is my prediction. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.